Want more blooms next season? Split your perennials fast. Here's how. Start with a mature clump in spring or in fall when growth is soft. Water thoroughly the day before to loosen soil. Lift the clump with a fork. Keep it intact, no drama. Shake excess soil or rinse it to see root structure. Now look for natural breaks or shoots. Use your hands or a sharp spade. Split into smaller sections, each section with roots and shoots. Trim any damaged foliage and big roots to balance the plant. Replant divisions at the same depth, firm the soil, water well, and mulch. Most perennials bounce back fast. They reward you with more plants and blooms. Try this on daylilies, asters, sedum, and more. Simple, quick, effective. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. I bet you didn't know tulips hate soggy feet. Stick around and you'll avoid the rookie mistakes. I'm Albert. Let's plant smart for a stunning spring. Step 1. Choose firm, plump bulbs, no mold, and look for spring flowering on the label. Step 2. Plant in autumn before the heavy freeze hits. Step 3. Loosen the bed, mix in compost and make sure it drains. Tulips hate standing water. Step 4. Plant 2 to 3 times the bulb's height and leave about 2 bulb widths between each. Step 5. Water them in, add a light mulch, then forget them till spring. Pro tip, plant in clumps for big impact and label your beds so you don't dig them up. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. This is why you need a tulip in your life. Bright, bold and totally mood boosting, pick your color. Hi, I'm Albert. Quick pole red, passion yellow, sunny pink, soft and sweet, purple, luxe. Imagine a vase of each. Which one makes you smile first? Don't overthink it. Go with your gut. If you're indecisive, mix 2 for instant vibes. Tulips are low fuss, high style, perfect for gifts, perfect for desks, perfect for cheering up your day. Drop your favorite color below. I'm reading every reply. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.